Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson we're going to start a new series of lessons that have to do with question words or interrogative words. So the first one is the word when in German. When in German is wann, wann. Notice the pronunciation of the W, wann, wann, wann. When, wann. Recently we studied regular verbs in the present tense in German, and one of those verbs is the verb lernen, which means to learn or to study. So these are the forms of lernen in the present tense, and we're going to combine some of those forms with the interrogative word wann to make up some examples. So if I want to ask you in German, when do you study? When do you study? And we're going to use the informal you, the du. So put it all together. So we have when is wann, and then you study is lernst du. You study in normal word order is du lernst, but in the question we have to reverse the order. So we put it all together and we have the question, wann lernst du? When do you study? Wann lernst du? When does he study? So remember wann, and then lernt becomes lernt so we put it all together. Wann lernt When does he study? Wann lernt When do they study? Remember they is sie, lowercase. So sie lernen, and then reverse the order for the question. So we have wann lernen sie? Wann lernen sie? When do they study? Let's try some questions with some other verbs. So we're going to use the verb kommen here, to come. So you come or you are coming is du kommst. So reverse the word order and then let's put it all together. Wann kommst du? Wann kommst du? When are you coming? When do you have time? So this is the verb to have, haben. So du hast, you have, reverse the word order. Wann hast du? And the word for time is Zeit. So put it all together. Wann hast du Zeit? Wann hast du Zeit? Wann hast du Zeit? And finally the last one, when do you work? So this is the verb arbeiten, arbeiten. So du arbeitest, you work, du arbeitest. Reverse the word order, arbeitest du. Wann arbeitest du? Wann arbeitest du? When do you work? All right, well that's it for this lesson. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.